Wholesaling is dead, guys. It's all done. We need to pack everything up. We need to cancel all of our subscriptions with everything. We need to quit wholesaling houses, I guess. Hey, what is going on, everyone? Devin can up here with another video providing you massive value and fire content like always. And so, if you like what you see, join the fam, join the game by hitting the nice looking subscribe button down below. And so, officially, guys, real estate wholesaling is dead. Zillow has screwed us over, basically. So I don't know if you guys have been watching the news or anything, but Zillow came out with this new application that is called Zillow Instant Offer. And basically what it consists of is basically Zillow does like how Carfax creates an offer for cars. Basically they do that for houses. So you can get an instant offer on your house, and then Zillow's mathematical formulas basically calculate how much they can offer on your property. And so basically they rolled this out not too long ago, and they're anticipating buying between like 300 and 1,000 houses in their first year, and they're trying it in just two markets to start off. They're starting it off in Las Vegas, and then they're starting it off in Phoenix as well. But there is a large problem with this software. First of all, let me get into how this could be good or bad for wholesalers, basically. And so the negative is they're going to basically allow anybody to just go on their website and get an offer on their property. And so because they're one of like the biggest marketing sources for realtors or any sort of real estate company, then they basically have a lot of data, and they are seeing a lot of people willing to sell their property. And then so if someone's willing to take their instant offer, it's like Carfax. They were able to pick up these discounted cars and sell them for more. But that doesn't mean there's still not people trying to sell cars themselves, or people that are wholesaling cars. So essentially what the pros are of this service, let's say it does amazing, the pros are is they're still missing a large percentage of people trying to sell their house at a discount, because they're a large corporation and a lot of people want to deal with a smaller private company, or like people like they like to do business with people rather than technology, basically. And also, one of the other pros is that Zillow is not that common. Like, not too many people know about the Zillow Instant Offer. Of course, sorry, I apologize, but my camera died when I was recording, so I'm just going to draw pretty pictures while I play the rest of the audio clip, basically, and try to match the pictures with the clip so it makes sense a little bit. Let's try it out. There's also another big thing. And so now onto the negative sides of what Zillow's platform system that they just created and came out with is one of the biggest problems is that it sounds good on paper, but their system doesn't work good in theory. The reason being is because they could buy up all of these properties and basically make a lot of money doing it, but the problem is it's only been tested in a growing market, basically. And so it's kind of like on the uphill, and they really haven't they haven't encountered any sort of like dips in the market or anything like that. And so like if and when it does happen, when the market crashes, it's really going to screw over Zillow. And so this has a lot of investors worried. And so what this has done is it's really dropped Zillow's stock down significantly. And essentially, like, we really don't have to worry about this problem at the end of the day. I know I kind of made it sound all dramatic and everything, that Zillow's got this new system that basically is going to wipe out all of real estate wholesalers and investors in existence. But essentially, their system isn't really working out the way that they want it to. And Zillow is really good at marketing, and that's really what they should stick with. And so I don't know if you guys have ever seen like the Sam Ovens commercial where he's always got like the LaCroix. He's all like, you know why I like LaCroix? It's because they're really good at what they do. And so, and they don't try to do anything different, like make some sort of like food company or anything like that. They're really good at just making one drink, and that's all they do. whether you like LaCroix or not. And so essentially that's kind of how it should be taken on the Zillow side as well. They're really good at marketing. They're really good at finding people that are trying to sell a property, as they got their premium listings for realtors that are wanting to basically show up on the recommended premier realtors that are the best for the sellers to or buyers to work with. And so they're really good at finding these leads, and so they should really just stick with that. They're not really good at becoming an investment firm, as well as, like, I don't know if you also know that they are trying to open up their own financing company. Basically, they're trying to become like mortgage lending and all that type of stuff inside their own company. They're just basically trying to do way too much for what the platform actually is like built around and meant to do. And so they're trying to in-house way too many different services, which it looks good on paper and everything. It sounds good in theory, but in actuality, it won't work out for them. So it's going to be able to keep us as wholesalers and investors the ability to basically just keep finding these deeply discounted properties. And the only competition that you would ever face, even if this platform on Zillow, the Zillow Instant Offer, did continue and persist, then essentially what we would have, our competition would only be on the platform of social media and or just Google and the internet. And so we would have to just compete against Zillow, one of the biggest platforms, but with competition, there's still a lot of leads to go around and a lot of deals to go around as well. So maybe Zillow is taking a large share of them, but there's still enough deals for everybody to make money off of. So there really is nothing really to worry off of. And at the end of the day, what it really matters at the end of the day is that you're just going out there, getting deals, taking action, and getting deals under contract and sending out offers and all this sorts of stuff. And basically, like, maybe even replicate what Zillow was trying to do. They're trying to send a lot of offers to as many people as possible. And if you want to do a lot of deals, you want to come across a lot of deeply discounted properties, send a lot of offers to a lot of people that are trying to sell their property. And even if you only get, like, let's say, like, 0.5%, less than 1%, 0.5% of the people that accept your offer, and you send out like 200 offers, that one deal that makes you like $10,000 or more is going to be well worth the like 200 offers that you sent in. And hopefully you don't have to send that many offers in, but essentially the more offers you send out, the higher of a chance that you are to find these deeply discounted properties. And that's essentially what Zillow is trying to base the platform around. They got like all this huge like funnel of sellers trying to sell their property, and they're just going to send out these like lowball offers to everybody, but all they're looking for is the few people that actually take up on their offer. And Zillow was actually able to succeed, and they were able to get like a few hundred properties, but the outcome of this platform in the near future does not look like it's going to be able to consistently keep going and growing the way that they are wanting it to, just as like they had a good idea at first, but then all these investors and everybody that's invested into Zillow and their stock just wasn't too happy or excited about what they were trying to do and everything. And so you just gotta basically understand that there's still a lot of opportunity out there to go around, and you really just need to try to talk to as many sellers as possible and try to send out as many offers as possible as well. And basically you can be closing your first deal within 30 days as long as you just keep talking to at least one new seller a day. So I challenge you guys to go out there and try to get one lead a day, and you'll start seeing the money start flowing in like it's nothing and super easy. And so I hope this video didn't scare any of you guys. I just wanted to bring this topic up, as I did see one other YouTuber talking about it, and he's a big real estate guy. You may know him, but I'm not going to say his name. But essentially I saw him talking about it, and I was like, hey, that's interesting. I didn't know about the Zillow Instant Offer, and it really brought to my attention, so I did a little bit of research into it and everything, and really just had to check in on it, because that does really provide a potential risk to wholesalers that are trying to get into the business that are currently doing deals. But at the end of the day, just keep doing what you're doing, and whatever the news media, whatever big company comes out with some software that's going to take over our business or our loophole business industry, whatever, there's still going to be the availability for us to be out there and doing deals. So don't worry. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, join the fam, join the gang by hitting the nice looking subscribe button down below. And when you hit the notification bell that pops up right next to it, I'll send out some cookies that my grandma made me, and they'll get there in about like 10 weeks. And so the only problem is we don't package them, so they basically just come out on like an empty sheet. And so sometimes the rats and the birds get to them on the way there. But like you guys may get like a really nice tray in the mail if you click the notification bell down below. Anyways, also drop a like if you guys like today's video. And like always, I'm uploading every day. So I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.